What is the perfect business model? Of course, that will all depend on who you ask and on your personal preferences. But it's definitely very possible to make an exceptionally strong argument for dropshipping. This is a business model that has huge advantages over selling your own products, over becoming an affiliate marketer, and certainly over making money from adverts. It has all the strengths of each and none of the downsides of any of them. This is a business model that allows you to work from home and earn passive income, while at the same time building a big brand for yourself and selling real physical products. So, why isn't everyone getting involved in dropshipping already? Why do so many people still choose to make money as an affiliate marketer instead? Well, the answer is simple. A lot of people still don't know what dropshipping is or how to get involved in it. Of course, this video series is going to change all that and help you to understand what dropshipping is, why it's so beneficial, and how to get started with it. By the end, you'll be running your own dropshipping business, making money by selling products with your branding on and without having to spend any money up front or take any form of financial risk. Didn't I say it was the perfect business model?